Well, we are at a construction site. This is looks like it's going to be a Walmart company building. Anyway, we're in Olathe, Kansas, and we just got here. The guy that's in charge of unloading us brought me in here. We basically were on a muddy road way back over that way, and he brought me in. I was supposed to deliver this tomorrow, but they said if I got here before 2, it's noon, they'd unload me. So that's what we're doing. Trying to get unloaded. So he said that all his guys are at lunch right now. So I'm going to get my tarp off and try to get undone, and then it's going to unload me right here somehow, some way. I came in here, man, the whole thing is all mud until you get to about right there, and then now it's concrete. So my tarp shouldn't get too muddy. We'll see. We'll see. One tarp off. We got one more to go. We are lucky about the mud. Look at all that mud on there from the ground. Oh, we got lucky. Could be worse. Oh boy. It's not too bad temperature-wise, because evidently it's been raining here. It rained a little bit on me coming in, but not bad. But it's a little humid, but nothing like it was in South Texas yesterday. I didn't even work that hard. I was sweating. A lot of times on these tall ones, you have to be careful to not. And I swear, I feel like I forgot a bungee. No. Oh, yep, I forgot a bungee. Yeah, a lot of times when you're pulling, you don't want to rip the corners on this stuff, so you got to be careful and pull it gently. This one's not so bad. All right, I'm going to start taking the straps off. Ready for me.